Making them dirt road dollars, way out yonder, having them hollers, doing it like our fathers. Up on them tractors, out in them pastures, making it rain like water. Farm boy goes, 24 karat gold corn grows. Lunch break, bite, couple sweet tea swallers, right back to making them dirt road dollars.
Justin, welcome back to CJ Farms, and I'm out here baling what I cut in the last video. This is what I cut at the end of that video, so this is stuff I cut that would have been Wednesday or Thursday, Wednesday or Thursday. This is the last field I cut. This is mostly just that white grass. So it dried out really quick, but yeah, I didn't film raking because I ran out of daylight and I was trying to get it done quick, so I just didn't fiddle with the camera. Plus I was dealing with a full card and a halfway dead battery, so I just let it be and knew that you guys would all understand. But making sure to get the baling on video. So far the tractor's doing good. We have the loader back on. We moved to a small building about a half hour ago. And yeah, so loader's back on. Gonna pick bales tomorrow, which will be Sunday. So curious to see how many bales we get out off here. Gap out. Anyways, you guys, I'm gonna continue baling and I'll get some cool shots for you guys. Alrighty guys, it's now Sunday, and yeah, I finished off this top part. I got the 2 lower sections and then the other small thin section done yesterday. But then it just got too dark and I was losing my lines, so I decided I'd start again today after church this afternoon, and we got it all done. 41 total bales off of the second cutting, so not too bad. Not as good as we were hoping, but not bad. I think this was the first bale I put out today. Yeah, I ran it out of net wrap yesterday, so put in this new stuff. But yeah, it ain't bad. We gotta pick the bales up now, so I don't know how I'm gonna do that because I only have the 1 spear. So I might have to somehow load the trailer with the pallet forks on the skid steer. I'm not sure yet. We'll figure that out. But yeah, anyways, you guys, I hope you liked. If you did, hit that like button. Please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.